In the previous module, we learned how to identify sharp key signatures. But what happens if we are given the name of a key and asked which sharp should be written in the key signature? In this video, we will explore the method we use to do this. If we look at this key signature, we know that it belongs to A major because the last sharp is G sharp, and if I write a note one step higher than the G sharp, it's an A. Conversely, if I want to work out which sharps were in the key of A major, I would go one step down from A to find my last sharp. I would then write out all of the sharps that come before my last sharp to form the correct key signature. Before we look at some more examples of this, there are some important things we need to take note of. Firstly, it is essential that sharps are written in the correct order and the correct position. As with notes, the sharp must sit exactly on the correct line or in the correct space. Use the space provided in the accompanying workbook to practice writing out your sharps in the correct place and order. It's also important to note that sharps sit in a different place in the treble and bass clefs, so always take note of your clef before adding a key signature. Now that we know how to correctly and accurately write sharps, we can write out any sharp key signature. If I were asked to write the key signature for F sharp major, for example, I would take my tonic note, F sharp, and go down one step to find my last sharp. I would then look at the sentence I used to help me remember the order of the sharps, Father Charles goes down and ends battle, to fill in all of the sharps that come before E sharp. Use this method to complete the exercises in your workbook.